Hi,
Yes.
hello, welcome back to my channel, Govind English Teacher. Today, an influent person, an interesting person is with us. He's a great speaker in English language. Today, he's going to talk about the preposition with. So, many great learners also they feel confused to confess their ideas regarding the uses of prepositions. Today we are taking only one preposition that is with. Now our speaker is with us and he has done some research on this particular preposition. Now he is going to share his ideas regarding how to use, where to use, when to use the preposition with. Sir, please.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, good morning, viewers, everybody. We are in the process of making prepositions, particularly earlier we have made on in proposition. Now we are going to explain some example sentences using with preposition. So I am very pleased to have now today Govind sir, and we will discuss, elaborate some of the sentences where with can be used. Okay, with is used with so many occasions. With confidence, you can achieve success. With hard work, you can get success. Like that, we can make sentences. Okay, with is so many instances are there. The tree is with a lot of fruit. The tree is with a lot of fruit. The dish is made with eggs. Like that, we can make sentences. And with courage, with courage, they won the battle. Yeah, the river is with many fish. The river is with many fish. The building is with many windows, with many doors. Like that, we can express the bridge constructed with many pillars. The car is filled with petrol. The tire is filled with air. The boat is filled with air. Like that, so many instances are there. We can use with in several occasions. So we are elaborating how to use with in our sentences. It is very, very important because English language, I earlier told, has already 10 lakh words, but so many occasions are there. People with diabetes, generally it is used, people with diabetes. Okay, like that. A tool, a tool or a kitchen utensil with a long handle, with a long handle. Like that, we can express our sentences, ideas using with in various occasions. Okay, he played the game with confidence. He played the game with confidence. She went to the movie with their family members. She went to the movie with their family members. She sang the song with confidence, like that, which is used in so many occasions. Now, our Govind sir is also English teacher. He will talk about something about with. Then I will enter, I will discuss about something. Okay, sir. Govind sir.
Yes, sir. The preposition with is used to indicate number one and accomplishment that means togetherness, together in company. So here I am going to movie with my friends. That is tells about accomplishment and also association, the connection and relationship. Example: I am working with a team and also instrument or medium, tool or method. You can say write with pencil and write in ink, but there is some difference. You don't have to think it also. Communicate with email, also manner, the way or method. Speak with confidence. Already our speaker expressed the idea. Handle with care. Yeah, you might have seen many occasions in this sentences. Materials, the mode of material is mode of. Yeah, for example, a house built with bricks. Also, a dress made with silk. So this is what we call the material. Also, the cooperation, that means collaboration. Example, the partner with a colleague and collaborate with experts. That's what we call the cooperation or contrast or comparison. So I am happy with my life, unlike before. also different with each passing day. Okay. The cause, the resulting from, say, example, satisfied with my results with regards to, with respect to, with reference to, agreement with, and in line with. Yeah. There are so many examples are there. Now, go on, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. A plant with so many flowers. A plant with so many flowers. A plant with bitter leaves. A plant with bitter leaves that are used in cooking. That are used in cooking. They enjoyed their meal with satisfaction. They enjoyed their meal with satisfaction. Dedicated work resulted with a success. Like this, so many things we can use. A musical instrument with lot of strings. A musical instrument with lot of strings. A movie star with lot of success. A movie star with lot of success. A movie with a lot of melodious songs. A movie with lot of melodious song. A book with a lot of pictures in it. A book with a lot of pictures in it. And his speech is peppered with jokes. His speech is peppered with jokes. Like that we can use with in so many occasions. So we are very pleased, and we also request our viewers, please give your comments. Give your comments, because we are not experts in this language, but definitely the video is going to be useful, particularly for the beginners. There are so many things we can express when we are using with confidence, with courage, with encouragement, with your permission. Can I take your pen? Like that we can use sentences. But yes, with is very essential in using the with in our language, in making sentences while speaking with people. These things we can use. Now our Govind sir will explain something about it.
But many a times the people who think in mother tongue, no, they feel confused to convey their ideas, because prepositions are different from used in the mother tongue. So when you are trying to use that preposition in English language, you have to know the way they are using the native speakers. So we have to be very careful using prepositions. For example, if you think in mother tongue, I am suffering with fever, but I is actually not with fever, I am suffering from fever. Then like that, we have to think in English only in using prepositions, because we should not use the prepositions according to our mother tongue. So mother tongue influence sometimes makes us confused to use those prepositions. So you should be very careful and using prepositions when you are trying to use in English language, and don't think in your mother tongue. Don't try to translate as it is in other, that means English. So that's the difficulty and different. When you think that out, automatically you can make it.
Beer with malt and barley. Beer made with malt and barley. Doing some with enthusiasm, and everyone agreed with me. Everybody satisfied with the results. And okay, like that we can make sentences in our conversation. Oh, these are some of the examples we have given, and there are more examples are there. With deep dryers, a small book with pages, with a loud noise, they sang the song. So like that. Okay, to fight with somebody, a poor country with a weak government that depends on foreign money. I am very pleased with my purchases. A country with a lot of wealth, a country with a lot of resources, a country with a talented people, a country with a highly educated people. Like that we can say a building with lot of furniture in it. Like that we can use. Okay, some of the instances where with can be used in our conversation. Okay, covered with small bushes. A desert covered with small bushes. We can say this. A mountain with a lot of trees. A mountain with a lot of trees. A mountain, a cliff with deep sides. A cliff with deep sides. Like that, some of the instances we have given, and now our Govind sir will explain.
And what you expressed is right, sir. And many times, and I too feel confused to use these prepositions. Today we are going to talk only, just to have taken only one preposition, that is with, there are many prepositions that are there like this, but today we are discussing only preposition with now.
I would like to mention, my friends are there. Sajid Kavatur, he is in Qatar, and Abu Bakr. I must say thanks to them because they are encouraging my videos, they are popularizing my videos with their friends and relatives. I must say thanks, and I am also encourage our people to watch our videos, share our videos with your friends. We can say, share our videos with your friends. Okay,
Friend.
they came with a proposal. They came forward with a proposal. They put forward proposals before the government. Like that, these things we can express. Okay, there are so many instances. These are the some of the incidences we would like to mention, and definitely we are going to cover in our next video many other preposition in future. Okay, sir.
Thank you for coming to my live session and giving more information regarding how to use, where to use, when to use the preposition with. And thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Have a nice day. I am very thankful to you for your support, encouragement. Okay. Best of luck, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.